Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this EKSA Tracker Bluetooth headset. It's not just like a normal standard tracker headset, it's more like the Mercedes of all tracker headsets, or of course can also be used in the office if you work in a call center or at home doing a lot of conference calls. This could be an awesome thing, and it's not only an awesome thing from the technical side, it's also a very beautiful device and comes in a very beautiful box. So this could be an awesome gift for Christmas. And on the back we have already some technical information. I hope you can read that, but you'll find everything online, and I'm going to show you the basics anyway here in this video. And so we have it here also inside, very beautiful, comes with this carry or storage bag. And so we have it here, really nice device, I would say. The cushion here on top is a little bit limited. It's not totally hard like here on the side with normal plastic. There is a little bit of cushion, but not extreme cushion. But this is how it usually works with this kind of headsets. We have a super soft holder here or mount on the side. It is also extendable here really nicely. I think there's even a metal bracket here inside, really solid. And we have the microphone which we can use on both sides. So if you want to use it on the right side, you can use it like that, or if you want to use it on the left side, you can turn it to the other side. This is exactly what we want. What's also really unique is that we have two different kind of earpieces. We have this more like leather one. Of course, I think it's not normal leather, but it feels somehow like leather. And we have this one which is more like a fabrics, so it's really nice. This is usually the thing which wears out usually the first, so we have two of them, really nice. And also this can be twisted. Then we have all the controls here on this side, and of course we get also more stuff which we need. Of course we need to charge this first. Here we have the dongle which we can use like on a PC, but we can also use it directly on a phone or directly on a PC with normal Bluetooth. And here's the charging cable, really beautiful. Also orange USB-C, this is what we want to see in 2022. And so we can charge it right from underneath here. And while it's charging, I can explain you the advantages of this headset. I mean, apart from the construction advantages which we have already seen, it has a very long battery runtime of up to 30 hours. So it can work for many shifts without recharging. We can achieve a very long wireless range of up to 30 meters or around 100 feet. Usually with normal standard Bluetooth we can only achieve about 10 meters or 30 feet, and it has an artificial noise removal. So we are going to test that. Of course I'm going to provide a live microphone test for you, and we get also short instructions manual. Again, that's the H1 Plus, and we get it in a couple of different languages. Here the specification, package, content, product overview, operations guide, so you can see how the buttons work, call functions. What's also interesting, of course, to see how we can reset. I think that's probably also described here on one of these pages. We have even dual pairing, Bluetooth normal pairing, and then the reset. That's the thing which a lot of people will need when they are in trouble, when it's not working properly, or you want to just connect it to some other device. That was already it. So to turn it on, we long press here until we see the light here, and then we click on pair new device. And so we see it blinking blue and red, and it's ready to pair. We click on EKSA H Plus here. We give authorization and pair the device. If you have problems to connect, press the minus and the plus for 6 seconds and it will remove the existing pairing list. And after it's connected, it shows also the battery level. There's no other way we can see the battery level than here. If you're having some problems, you can activate or deactivate some different things here, especially maybe the AAC when it's not compatible, but usually it's no problem. So I've been testing this headset for about 2 hours really thoroughly, and most of the things have been working really good. So I'm going into all the details. I've first been using it connected with my phone, and I would say the wireless reach was a little bit better than with normal standard earbuds. but I guess it was not 30 meters. But when I was using it with this Bluetooth dongle from my PC, I had in a sudden much further wireless range. I could even circle my whole home and stay connected. There were just a couple of short breakups, and I mean, we are talking about concrete walls or so I have absolutely no doubt that you can reach easily 30 meters without walls. So definitely huge advantage when you can use this dongle, but also a little bit more wireless range when you're just using this with your phone. Then the audio quality has been really good. I mean, we are talking about 40 millimeter drivers, which is very rare in such a headset. Usually we are seeing this only in normal stereo headsets, so that was definitely the best audio experience by far in any kind of like a conference call headsets like this. And it's not only good audio, it was also very comfortable because the ear cups are very wide, so my ears have been fitting easily inside. Usually with this kind of headsets they have very small ear cups, and then they are sitting on your ears, putting a lot of pressure on that, especially when you have to wear them the whole day. This can be a lot, and even more when you have to push on the side with these buttons here. It's really important to have large ear cups, otherwise when you push here it will push very hard on your ear. So this is a really good construction. Also, it was really easy to find these buttons here. Usually you tap here and then you can feel already these 3 buttons. I think very good construction here because you can really feel these buttons extremely good. One of the best solutions I've ever seen. Also, the mute button has been working good. You can easily find it when you go along this microphone here. And the buttons are not only easy to find, they give also some kind of feedback. There's a voice confirmation built in, and for a lot of functions which you do, there is some voice confirmation, like when you turn it on, turn it off, when you connect it, disconnect it, especially these important things. And the voice is very comfortable, not too loud, and there is no confirmation when you just increase or decrease the volume or go to the next track or back to the previous track. This is exactly how it should be. The way this looks somehow like a light, it is not. I've been trying this to record and mute and unmute. It didn't do anything. And also the other parts of the headset have been really comfortable also on this side as expected. Also here I've been wearing it for more than 1 hour and I haven't felt anything, and I don't have a lot of hair. And regarding the size, it's also really good. I have about something between L and XL, and it has been really comfortable, so you can also wear it when you have a larger head. And the microphone quality has been really good. You can bend this thing even, you can see really nicely. One of the best things I've ever seen to bend. You can bend it exactly or put it exactly where you want it, but it's actually not needed to really adjust it perfectly because it has almost everywhere a really good recording. There is no pop effect, and I would say it has a pretty high sensitivity, and it picks up the voice really nice and clear and in a very natural way. And the noise cancellation has also been very, very good. This AI noise suppression has been working absolutely awesome. I've been recording in the back of my home, very close to the very loud AC unit, and so I'm going to play that now for you. By the way, first I'm going to play the original, which I've been recording with one of the latest GoPros, GoPro 10 Hero Black, and after that I'm going to show you the exact same footage but recorded from this microphone. And so I'm here in the back of our home. The AC, the outside unit of the AC is running. It's very loud, I can tell you. The fan is spinning really fast, and it's super loud, and it will be really interesting to see later if you can still understand me. And so I'm here in the back of our home. The AC, the outside unit of the AC is running. It's very loud, I can tell you. The fan is spinning really fast, and it's super loud, and it will be really interesting
to see later if you can still understand me.
So I hope you have been able to hear that, and I myself, I've been almost shocked to hear the difference. I've always been thinking that the GoPro microphone would be on a really good level, but this thing here is 100 times better when it comes to noise cancellation. This is absolutely fantastic. So everything is working perfectly, very comfortable, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.